Hi, here is an Orbit Couplings Flex Grip 2P long pipe coupling and pipe repair clamp. So it's the 2P, the P means it's a high pressure model. This clamp is rated to PN40, so 4000 kPa, manufactured from a thicker stainless steel casing. This one is size 114.3 millimeters, so for a 100mm steel pipe. EPDM rubber, also available in NBR and Viton on request. Available from 40mm all the way up to 1016mm OD. Great for any high pressure discharge applications. Contact Orbit Couplings in Australia for more information. Thank you for watching.